Bye, Brad.
Congratulations. Good luck to you.
Wow, 45 years. Congratulations, Brad. That is an amazing milestone.
Hey, Brad, congratulations on your retirement. Thank you for being part of the leadership team here in Atlanta. You will be missed.
It's been an absolute pleasure working with you over the years, and we really do appreciate everything that you've done to support the people in the Atlanta facility, supporting our customers, and obviously supporting our business.
I just wanted to first and foremost thank you for your time with the ADI family, but also congratulate you on your upcoming retirement. I thought it would be fun to share some facts from the year you started working with us. The song of the year was Captain and Tennille's Love Will Keep Us Together. And some famous movies that came out included Jaws, Dog Day Afternoon, and One Flew Over the Cuckoo's Nest. Gerald Ford was president, and the cost of a first-class stamp was only 10 cents. Somehow, though, I think we were still operating on Adonis.
I am the Receiving Supervisor for the Atlanta Distribution Center. I was born and raised right here in Atlanta, lived here all my life. Started here when I was 19 years old. When I first started with the company, I had just gotten out of trade school. I was going to become an electrician. After getting out of trade school, the industry for building and so forth was really in a bad slump. Jobs were hard to find. So I was looking around for a job, and I ran across an alarm device, and they hired me as a packer. There was 3 people that worked in the warehouse. When we started in the building, it was a 10,000 square foot building. We're now in a 145,000 square foot building. We didn't have computers. Everything was written on a piece of paper, and it was just numbers, no descriptions. You just had to know by memory where the part was. We went through company name changes, which was kind of different when you're answering telephones. When you used to answer the telephone alarm device, now you got to answer Ademco custom, and then we went into naturally what we are now today as ADI. You see a lot of different changes over 45 years. One of the fondest memories is this is how I met my wife. I had a coworker that was here that had a best friend. She introduced us, and we started dating, and we got married. Once my wife retires in a few years, me and her will be able to travel around the country, see some places we've never seen before. I look forward to being able to play a little bit more golf than I've been able to over the last few years, and continue playing softball. Most I'll miss is probably the people. You know, coming to this one location the whole 45 years that I've been with the company. Because there are people here, tenure-wise, that I've been working with now for 10, 20 years, and I've got one person I've been working here with 40 years. I always tell the people that work for me and other people that are in the business that if you don't like what you're doing, there's no reason to stay around. I mean, you got to enjoy what you're doing. You can't be miserable at what you're doing. You just got to enjoy it. And I have enjoyed it. I thank God that I was able to do this for 45 years, stay with this company, enjoying what I do.
Thank you very much from the entire global leadership team, ADI, all of our leaders throughout North America.
I want to wish you fair winds and falling seas on your next chapter in life.
Thank you again for your many years and dedication here.
Enjoy yourself and be safe. Take care.